So I just want to show you my little seat 2.0. So this is a Honda Rebel 250 from the year about 2000. This is the passenger seat of that bike. So yes, it is written Honda for even more style. So the reason I changed the seat is because I didn't like the surround setup. Like you can see here, it was hiding the display, and I didn't like that I had to lift the seat each time to lift the handle. That was pretty annoying. Now it's very fast and easy, like stock setup. No more annoying seat in the way. So this is very plush, very comfortable. It's not in the way of the charger ports anymore. And I will show you how I've done that. The seat has threaded screws that come with the seat. So what I have bought on Amazon is female. This is a female Allen key. So that's about $10. And I have used that just here underneath. And that screw, yes, the hole are, I screwed up the holes. Never mind that. But yes, I drilled the two holes and the female Allen keys are screwed to the seat. So that's very sturdy here. And for the front of the seat I only used the zip tie. So a pretty sturdy setup. You can find this kind of seats on eBay for maybe $10. Very happy with the conversion. I will probably do a follow-up video of the comfort. The link for these will be in the description of the video. I will give you a little sample of the position of seating. You can grab this handle to help braking fast. I think this will be very comfortable. Subscribe for updates. Yeah!